Let's kick off these fall-inspired spice cupcakes by starting with the wet ingredients. In a bowl, we want to mix 2 cups of light brown sugar with 1 cup of canola oil until smooth. Then stir in 1 cup of applesauce for extra moisture. Next, you're going to add 4 room temperature eggs one at a time and finish with a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now it's time to bring in the dry ingredients. We want to combine 2 3/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. These spices bring the perfect fall warmth to your cupcakes. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture, alternating with 3/4 cups of room temperature sour cream for extra fluffiness. You want to bake at 350 for 18 to 20 minutes or until your oven says we're done, and you've got the perfect fall spice cupcakes ready for frosting. They're rich, moist, and full of cozy autumn flavor.